Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of Calm app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Calm app and you can click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you will go to Play Store, you will search about the application of Calm, and then you can update your app if you find update here in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us.